Today we're gonna make this easy chocolate truffle recipe. And I love chocolate, so I'm gonna steal one. To get started on making our super easy chocolate truffles, perfect for the holidays, we're gonna start with chocolate. So I have chocolate semi-sweet morsels, about 8 ounces, and a half a cup of heavy cream. So we're gonna take our heavy cream to the stove so that we can warm this up. So in a small saucepan, I have half a cup. We're gonna pour this in, and we just wanna warm this up. We don't wanna bring it to a boil, but we want it to simmer. So we wanna see like little bubbles around the edges. So see how this is simmering? There's little bubbles all over the sides. That's when we know it's ready. So we're gonna take this off. So we have our chocolate morsels and our hot heavy cream, and I'm gonna pour it on top. Perfect. And I'm gonna let it sit 3 to 5 minutes because we want the chocolate to start melting, and then we're gonna whisk it together. So now we're gonna take this, and we're gonna whisk this together. So now that our chocolate is melted, now you see that consistency once all of the chocolate and the heavy cream. Combine that. It's gonna be nice, silky, smooth mixture. Perfect. And now we're gonna take a teaspoon of vanilla. Just gonna add that. Look how easy that was. Perfect. Now we're gonna cover this with saran wrap and put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. We want this to firm up so then that way we can roll them into our chocolate truffles. So I've taken the chocolate out of the fridge. It's nice and firm, you could see. I'm taking my rings off because now we gotta roll them. So I have, if you have a small scoop at home, I have a melon baller, so I'm gonna try that. So we're just gonna take a small scoop of it. And this is very messy. I'm just gonna roll it in your hands a little, like this, to make a little ball. We're gonna have some cocoa powder. I'm gonna put it in the cocoa powder. And then to make these little holiday truffles, I'm gonna take some red sanding sugar. Just roll it in the cocoa. Perfect. Let's try some of these sprinkles, holiday sprinkles. So now that we've rolled our holiday truffles, they look awesome. We're gonna stick them in the fridge. We need them to cool and just get a little bit more set before serving. Our beautiful holiday truffles are ready. They look amazing. I can't wait to try one. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for more entertaining products that I love to use.